advised by Mike Carter from Red Cross Square Breeze. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. 1, 2. So here we go. 35. You just feet. Let's go for it. And 1. 35. Gosh, that was painful. I think I didn't have my position right. So right. We're going to do a different technique outside the fresh air. Francesca's with me. So here we are. We're going to do 35. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 33, 34. Whoa, 35. So there we go. That's day 9, 35 sit-ups. Yes, for the Oxford and Sandy Black Pig Group Foundation charity.